everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel Ogweji. I'm a licensed vocational nurse, and this channel is about nursing tips and advice, my nursing experience, and I also love art and crafts. So I also do some DIY content here and lifestyle content. So today's video is about head wrap. Sometimes you might need to, slay with the head wrap. So I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to slay with a head wrap. And let's get right into it. No, before we get right into it, have you subscribed to my channel? Just hit that red button down there. It's just a click. It's free. Just subscribe to my channel and let's have fun together. Now let's get right. This is the fabric I'm going to be using for this tutorial. And this is like 18-inch by width, and it's very long. It's 90-inch length, so you need a very long material. Like the length is 90-inch and the width is 18-inch, but I wish it was bigger. I could use like 25 or 30-inch by width, okay, so that it would be long enough and cover your head the way you wanted it, but this will still give me the desired result anyways. So let's do the first style. I'm going to be doing the back knot for the first style, okay? So you fold it like this. For the second style, I'll just fold the material like this. That's your double twists. You have the first and the second twist. Tell me you don't like this. Tell me it's not beautiful. You can slay this with a dress, with a pants and top, just about anything. Look at that. So beautiful. Thank you for watching this head wrap tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and have you hit the red button? Please subscribe to my channel. We're gonna have fun doing a lot of DIY contents, and I'm gonna be giving more nursing tips. So please subscribe, please hit the red button. It's just a click. I'll see you in my next video.